Songs develop listening skills and provide repeated, contextualized practice of vocabulary and other language. They reinforce pronunciation and help children develop a sense of rhythm. Songs also promote a sense of class community and build children's confidence and feeling of success. Above all, songs are memorable and fun. You can use songs in many ways, as part of learning routines, for example, to sing hello and goodbye with your class puppet, to practice and recycle language and vocabulary, to link to contest-based learning or a story, to reinforce positive values, or to introduce traditional children's culture. It's usually best to introduce a song globally rather than line by line. By playing the song several times over different lessons, children listen and show understanding and gradually join in singing when they are ready to do so. There are many activities you can do to engage children in learning songs in a natural and pleasurable way. Here are 5 examples based on a song to practice language from a story. Stick flashcards on walls around the classroom. Children listen and point to the flashcards when they hear the words in the song.
I want to go by bike, by bike. Oh yes, please, me too.
Come on then, let's go by bike.
I want to go with you.
Alternatively, get children to do an action when they hear the transport words. For example, jump up and wave their arms in the air.
I want to go by car, by car. Oh yes, please, me too.
Come on then, let's go by car.
I want to go with you.
Once children are familiar with the song, get them to act it out with you and join in singing.
I want to go by train, by train. Oh yes, please, me too.
Come on then, let's go by train.
I want to go with you.
Divide the class into 2 groups, 1 for each character, and get them to sing and act out alternate lines.
I want to go by bus, by bus. Oh yes, please, me too.
Come on then, let's go by bus.
I want to go with you. Yay!
Acting out the song in this way prepares children for using the language in a spoken dialogue or role play later. As an extension, get children to suggest their own creative ideas for new verses of the song using other transport vocabulary they know. For example, I want to go by plane, I want to go by boat, or even I want to go by spaceship. You can use all these ideas flexibly with many different songs. Why not try?